Hi friends, I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off nail polish with just lemongrass essential oil, so you don't have to use the acetone nail polish remover anymore. But there's just a couple things that you need to know. So all you need to do is get lemongrass, I like Young Living, and put a drop on each finger. So I typically do one hand at a time, so you're just going to put it like, don't tip it all the way over, but just kind of angle it until you see a drop come off. And then you're going to do that for each hand. And it's okay if it spills. Okay. And then you're just going to wait. And I like to wait for about a minute. So when we come back, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, we're back. I've let this sit on my fingers for about a minute or two. And then you're just going to take a cotton, I've done one finger, you're just going to take a cotton round or cotton ball or something, and you're just going to wipe it off. But you're going to have to do this for a little while because it just takes a little bit of elbow grease. As you can see, just have a little bit left. And then you can see it's all the way off that finger. So then you're just going to go off and do the next finger. Do you hear it squeaking? So that's kind of what you have to do to get it all off. Okay, next finger, and then this one just had a little bit. And then my thumb.
What is all this dust?
Hang on, babe. And if you find, I haven't tried it with gel, I haven't tried it with any of the other those like long wearing, so you may have to do it a couple times, but I think the effort is worth not putting more toxins on our body than we already are. All right, all the nail polish is gone. Super cool.